Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to the Coverdale Mine. This is I want to thank everybody for all my subscribers. I'm over 300 now, so here's a salute to my subscribers. Thanks for subbing. Right, Aaron? Me and Aaron's channel. So we got a little box, so we'll unbox it. And then we're going to run some trains. A little 300 sub train run. You alright, Aaron? Oh, Aaron's foot's hurt. Aaron got a... She stubbed her toenail. Her and her mom. Okay. So, what we got here... Find this on YouTube. I bought the Pullman passenger cars and 3 wasn't enough, so I got 4. I got a 4th one, so I think it would look cool with a 4th one. This one, the other ones were cleaner, but that's alright. Little rust. So I think the train will look cool with 4 passenger cars instead of 3. 3 looks short to me. So that's all. That came today. Guy wanted 40 some dollars for it. I offered him 25 and he accepted, and here it came today. So we'll clean up the wheels. I'll clean up the thing, maybe putting my new LED lights in. I don't know what's in there now. We'll see if the lights even work. What? What about KK? Oh, the dog was kissing Aaron earlier. Yeah, she loves you. Was she sitting here? Cool. All right, well, boom, and give my YouTubers a fist bump. Thanks for subbing, and hope they get many more subs. See you down in the train room. Say bye, Aaron. This is why I like going over my antique cars as soon as I get them. Cleaning it all up. I cleaned the trucks, cleaned the wheels, the contacts. Now I opened it up and look at that. I don't want them in my house. They gotta go. And next I'll see if the light works after I clean it up inside of here. Look at that. Old school light works. So we'll leave that in there for a while until it gives me trouble, and I'll switch it out. I just want to see what it looks like compared to the LEDs too. So that's cool. It works.